Avocado oil is often associated with health, clean cooking, and premium kitchens. But behind every bottle of this smooth green gold oil is a large-scale industrial process that blends agriculture, food science, mechanical engineering, and strict quality control. What begins as fresh, delicate fruit must be transformed quickly and carefully into a stable oil without destroying flavor, nutrients, or purity. Unlike seed oils that rely on aggressive chemical extraction, avocado oil production depends heavily on timing, temperature control, mechanical separation, and oxidation management. And today on the How Factory, we're stepping inside modern avocado oil facilities to see exactly how avocado oil is made. From freshly harvested avocados to refined, bottled cooking oil ready for kitchens around the world. The journey begins in avocado orchards, where fruit selection is critical. Avocados grown for oil production are typically varieties with high fat content, such as Hass avocados. These fruits are harvested at peak maturity, when oil concentration in the flesh is highest. Timing matters because underripe avocados contain less oil, while overripe fruit can oxidize too quickly. Once harvested, avocados are transported rapidly to processing facilities, often within hours because the fruit begins to degrade soon after picking. Unlike oils extracted from dry seeds, avocados are perishable and require fast, controlled handling. When avocados arrive at the processing plant, they undergo initial inspection and sorting. Conveyor belts carry the fruit through washing systems that remove dirt, leaves, and debris using clean water sprays and rotating brushes. Optical sorting machines equipped with cameras assess size, color, and surface defects. Avocados that are damaged, moldy, or underripe are removed automatically. Only clean, ripe fruit moves forward because poor quality input directly affects oil yield and taste. Once sorted, avocados move to the de-pitting stage. Industrial machines cut each avocado open and separate the pit from the flesh. The pits are heavy and hard, so they are ejected mechanically and collected for disposal or repurposing. Some facilities process pits into animal feed or biofuel. The remaining avocado flesh, known as the pulp, continues down the line. At this stage, speed is essential. Exposure to oxygen can cause browning and oxidation, which degrades oil quality. The avocado pulp is then crushed into a thick paste. Large stainless steel grinders or hammer mills break down the flesh, rupturing oil-containing cells. This step is similar to olive oil production, but avocado pulp is denser and higher in moisture. The crushing process must be controlled carefully to avoid excessive heat buildup. Temperature sensors monitor the paste continuously because heat accelerates oxidation and destroys delicate compounds like antioxidants and vitamins. After crushing, the paste enters the malaxation stage, a slow mixing process that allows oil droplets to merge into larger droplets. The paste is gently stirred in temperature-controlled tanks for 30 to 60 minutes. This step increases oil yield by helping microscopic oil particles coalesce. Temperature is kept low, especially for extra virgin or cold-pressed avocado oil. If temperatures rise too high, the oil may lose flavor and nutritional value. Oxygen exposure is minimized by using sealed tanks or inert gas blankets. Once malaxation is complete, the avocado paste moves to oil separation. Modern facilities use centrifuges to separate oil from water and solids. The paste enters high-speed horizontal decanter centrifuges that spin at thousands of revolutions per minute. Centrifugal force separates the mixture into 3 phases: oil, water, and solid pulp. The heavier solids move outward, while the lighter oil collects toward the center. This process happens continuously, allowing large volumes of avocado paste to be processed efficiently. The separated oil is still cloudy at this stage and may contain fine particles and residual moisture. To clarify it, the oil passes through vertical centrifuges or polishing separators that remove remaining water and solids. The filtration systems may also be used to achieve clarity. For unrefined avocado oil, minimal filtration is applied to preserve flavor and color. Refined avocado oil undergoes further processing to remove impurities and neutralize taste. Refining is optional and depends on the intended product. Extra virgin avocado oil is bottled with minimal processing, retaining a green hue and mild avocado flavor. Refined avocado oil, used for high-heat cooking, undergoes additional steps. These may include degumming to remove phospholipids, neutralization to remove free fatty acids, and deodorization to eliminate strong odors. Refining is done under controlled conditions to preserve stability while producing a neutral, high smoke point oil. Throughout extraction and refining, Oxidation control is critical. Avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are more stable than polyunsaturated fats, but still vulnerable to oxygen, heat, and light. Facilities use stainless steel equipment, inert gas blanketing, and rapid processing to limit oxidation. Laboratory teams monitor peroxide values, acidity, and color throughout production. If oxidation levels rise, the batch may be downgraded or rejected. Once the oil meets quality specifications, it moves to storage. Large stainless steel tanks hold the oil under nitrogen or argon to prevent air exposure. Temperature is controlled to maintain stability. Tanks are cleaned regularly to prevent contamination. Before bottling, samples are taken for final testing, including purity analysis, fatty acid profile verification, and sensory evaluation. Taste, aroma, and clarity are checked to ensure consistency across batches. Bottling is a high-speed, automated process. Empty bottles, often dark glass or opaque plastic to protect the oil from light, move through cleaning stations that remove dust and static. Automated filling machines dispense precise volumes of oil into each bottle. Fill accuracy is critical for regulatory compliance and cost control. Bottles are sealed immediately to minimize oxygen exposure. Labels are applied next, displaying nutritional information, origin details, and batch codes for traceability. Vision systems verify label placement and readability. Each bottle receives a production date and lot number, allowing the manufacturer to track the oil back to specific avocado batches if needed. After labeling, bottles move to secondary packaging. They are packed into cartons, stacked onto pallets, and wrapped for transport. Warehouse management systems track inventory and coordinate shipments to retailers, food service providers, and export markets. Because avocado oil demand is global, logistics planning ensures bottles reach stores quickly while maintaining freshness. Behind the scenes, sustainability plays a major role in avocado oil production. Avocado pulp waste, skins, and pits are often reused as compost, animal feed, or bioenergy. Water used in washing and processing is filtered and recycled where possible. Energy-efficient centrifuges and heat recovery systems reduce environmental impact. Many producers work closely with farms to ensure responsible water use and sustainable agriculture. What makes avocado oil manufacturing unique is the balance between speed and gentleness. Unlike seed oils that can be stored dry for months, avocados must be processed quickly and carefully to preserve quality. Every stage, from harvest timing to temperature control, directly affects flavor, color, and nutritional value. Industrial efficiency must coexist with delicate handling. From ripe fruit to thick paste, from centrifuge separation to clarified oil, the journey of avocado oil is a fusion of agricultural timing, mechanical separation, and chemical precision. Each bottle represents thousands of avocados processed under strict conditions to deliver clean, stable oil suitable for modern cooking. And that is exactly how avocado oil is washed, crushed, mixed, separated, refined, tested, bottled, and shipped, transforming fresh avocados into pure cooking oil through a carefully controlled industrial process. Thanks for watching The How Factory, where we reveal how the world really works. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more deep dives into the machines, systems, and factories behind everyday products.